Secret zones. 7 unusual places to touch that will excite her to the limit. Stoicism. In a world where intimacy is often reduced to common expectations and cliches, discovering the power of touch in a meaningful and respectful way can deepen connection and enhance relationships. While many are familiar with the traditional ways of showing affection, some of the most powerful and exciting touches can come from places that are often overlooked. Understanding the art of touch, not just in physical terms, but as a way to create deeper emotional bonds, can be a transformative experience for any relationship. In this topic, we explore 7 unusual places to touch that will excite her to the limit, connecting the concept of touch with the Stoic philosophy of cultivating self-awareness, patience, and understanding. Stoicism teaches us to be deliberate and mindful in our actions, especially in relationships, where the goal isn't to simply give pleasure, but to engage in meaningful, connected interactions. So let's delve into these secret zones and explore how to touch with intention, bringing excitement and intimacy to new heights. 1. The back of her neck, a gateway to intimacy. One of the most underappreciated spots on the body is the back of the neck. This area, which is often exposed, can be incredibly sensitive to touch. Gently caressing or softly kissing the back of her neck can send waves of excitement and relaxation through her. The sensation of touch here connects with deeper emotional feelings of trust and safety. From a Stoic perspective, touch should be intentional. It's not about rushing, but cultivating mindfulness in how you approach her. Understanding that such a simple act can be incredibly powerful when performed with respect and care. 2. The inner wrists, the pulse of her emotions. The inner wrist is an intimate and surprisingly sensitive area. Lightly touching or kissing this spot can stimulate an emotional connection that goes beyond the physical. The act of caressing her wrist creates a sense of closeness and vulnerability, which can heighten intimacy. Stoicism teaches us that controlling our emotions leads to more meaningful actions. When touching such an intimate area, it's important to remain calm and patient, allowing the connection to unfold naturally rather than rushing into it. 3. Behind her ear, the sweet spot for communication. The area just behind her ear is a sensitive zone that can be easily overlooked. Softly brushing this area with your fingertips or gently whispering something sweet can spark excitement and connection. The ear, as an often neglected zone, offers an opportunity to deepen your interaction with her beyond just the physical. When embracing Stoic principles, use this touch as an opportunity to be present and attuned to her reactions, making sure that your approach is subtle and attuned to her comfort level. The small of her back, a subtle yet powerful touch. The small of the back is another often ignored area that can create an immediate sense of closeness when touched with care. Gently placing your hand here, whether you're guiding her through a doorway or simply standing close to her, signals both respect and affection. This area is associated with protection and support, which can invoke a sense of security and connection. From a Stoic mindset, actions like these should be executed thoughtfully, creating a calm and reassuring atmosphere where both partners can feel comfortable and safe. The inside of her elbows, unspoken sensitivity. The inside of the elbow is one of those areas that, when touched gently, can trigger a profound response. This zone is sensitive to light touch and is often overlooked. The soft skin here responds well to gentle caresses or kisses, creating a sense of anticipation and excitement. In line with Stoic philosophy, approach this with patience and respect, observing her reactions. It's not about forcing intimacy, but about understanding and respecting her pace and space. 6. The spine, a pathway to deep connection. The spine is an incredibly sensitive area, and touching it can feel incredibly intimate. Lightly tracing the spine with your fingertips or running your hands down her back can be both comforting and thrilling. This touch can trigger deep emotional and physical responses, evoking a sense of warmth and affection. Stoicism teaches that our actions should come from a place of clarity and intention. In the context of touch, this means being aware of the impact your touch has on her and how it aligns with her comfort level and emotional state. 7. The back of her knees, a surprising zone of sensitivity. While this spot may seem unconventional, The back of her knees is surprisingly sensitive to touch. Gently caressing or kissing the area behind her knees can be a playful yet intimate gesture that excites without overwhelming. This zone, often associated with vulnerability, can be a powerful way to connect emotionally and physically. In line with Stoicism, patience is key. This type of touch is best used when you build trust and emotional intimacy, as the gesture will hold more significance and create a deeper connection. The Stoic approach to intimate touch, mindfulness and respect. While the power of touch in relationships can be exhilarating and deeply rewarding, it's crucial to approach it with mindfulness, respect, and patience. Stoicism teaches us the value of being present in every moment, fully aware of the impact our actions have on others. When it comes to intimacy, this means being attuned to her needs, respecting boundaries, and ensuring that the connection is meaningful and not just a physical exchange. Conclusion: building deeper connections through touch is a powerful tool in deepening intimacy and connection, but its true power lies in how intentional and meaningful it is. By exploring these unusual and secret zones on a woman's body, you not only enhance physical excitement, but also cultivate a stronger emotional bond through mutual respect and understanding. When combined with the wisdom of Stoicism, these touches become more than just physical. They become a way to express care, affection, and meaningful connection.